Hey everybody, me again, Channel Practical Paracord. In today's video, me and Acity going head to head in a sling bowling game, y'all. We're gonna make it easy. It's just gonna be how many shots it takes to clear out the pins. He's gonna do 10, I'm gonna do 20 meters, and we're gonna see what happens. Let's get it. All right, let's get it. Uh-oh. Go ahead, Carl. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, there it is. That was 7? All right, y'all, that's Big Acity. Got about 7 to 8. We're gonna know in the comments, so I'll put it right here. Boop. All right, let's see what I can do. All right, y'all, let's see what I can do at 20 meters. All right. Oh man, why did it bounce? Oh yeah, okay.
Off the wall.
That gutter ball.
Oh, dang.
Got it. It fell. All right, I lost that one, y'all. We're gonna run something back.
I want to be able to run it the farthest.
All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I took that L. City said he wants to try from 20 meters. Let's see what happens. Right where the buck is at.
How about hit the ball?
All right. Back. I got one! Oh! Oh! Ooh. Oh! Got another one down. All right, y'all. Let's see if I can beat this old 6 that City got me with at the beginning. Now I'm a little warm. That was right on the money. Bam! Bam! All right, well there it is, y'all. That's how, you get you some bowling pins, go to the park with a baseball. You can play some play some slinging. You know what I'm saying? Hope y'all like what y'all see today. If y'all did, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend. If you do, tell me the notification bell.
Practical paracord, ayy, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You know that we talking slinging. Catch 'em in Louisiana, Sling King. Find 'em down south, slinging giants like it's David and Goliath. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, slinging so hard I could kill a beast. Come and check me. Hey, I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go.